Good afternoon, David Marks here with Operation BBQ Relief. So what I have here is I have a nice hand-formed patty. I am going to season that burger because this is going to be my lunch. I'm going to use some of this Operation BBQ Relief Texas SPG rub, salt, pepper, garlic. So really, I'm just going to take this first burger, lay it on the grill, good to go. So I got these burgers seasoned, and we're going to let them go. Alright, so these burgers have been on for about 5 minutes, and you can start to see some of the juices moving up to the top and whatnot. So we're actually going to take these burgers and we're going to actually flip them over. I actually don't do the turn, flip, turn. I actually flip them back and forth. It helps, in my opinion, keep more even cooking. So what we're going to do is actually multiple steps here. I'm going to take all the burgers off. We're going to clean the grate, and then we're going to put them back on. And I got the burgers off. We're going to take that grill brush, and we're going to brush those grill grates real quick. Just make sure that there's no food particles left over on it. That's kind of what messes up your grates from really making connection with the grill and sending the thermal difference, the heat, the cooking mechanism into the burger and caramelizes that meat. So the grill's been cleaned. We're going to give it another quick spray, and we're going to put those burgers back on. So I've got nice lines here. I'm going to actually just replicate them again, north and south. We got those burgers on the grill. We're going to let them continue to do their thing. Another few minutes, and then we'll flip them over again. Alright, so now we've had it on for another couple minutes. Those burgers are getting nice and juicy. We're gonna go ahead and flip them again. And now we're gonna make our last flip over and turn. So we're gonna go ahead and pick these up. And we're down to temperature now. We need to cook them to at least 165. They're about 145 right now. And we're going to have some awesome burgers here in just a few minutes. Alright, so these burgers are getting real close now. We're looking for 165 degrees. Alright, that's 165, 166, 166, 167. So we're there. We've got our burgers ready to go. So the first thing I'm doing right now is I've got some buns here, and we're going to toast these buns. So I've got a cast iron grill here, the cast iron skillet that I've had on the grill, and we're going to go ahead and put some butter in there, which I already did. I'm going to add a little bit more. There you go, you see that butter. And we're going to take this grill, we're going to make these burgers, buns just amazing. And in a couple minutes here, we're going to have nice toasted buns, and we're actually going to do one of my favorite things. We're going to invert the bun. We're actually going to make the bun be like a grilled cheese. On this caprese, we're going to take mozzarella cheese, and we're going to take fresh heirloom tomatoes and some basil, and we're going to put that on top of the sandwich. So right now, these buns are just getting toasted, looking great already. Some of these buns are already done. So we're just going to keep on working it around the pan, and then we're going to take them off so we can finish this up. But look at that beautiful toasty bread. The outside of these brioche buns are really soft. So just going to keep on working them around the pan, give them like 30 more seconds, and then we're going to move on. Alright, so now we got these beautiful grilled buns off the grill, off that cast iron. And we're going to actually take some mozzarella cheese. We're going to take that burger. We're going to invert the bun. We're going to put that mozzarella cheese right on top. So we get the mozzarella cheese on both sides. Now I got some beautiful, I'm going to put the smaller pieces of tomato on the top. I'm going to put the bigger pieces of tomato on the bottom. Now one of the things that I do once I'm here is I actually give a little bit of a shake of, you can use salt, pepper. I'm going to use a little bit more of our Operation BBQ Relief salt, pepper, garlic. I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil, very little bit. I'm just going to drizzle that olive oil on the top of the bun, not on the bottom. I'm going to lay that burger. So we're going to take some fresh picked basil from my garden. You can take your basil from the store or wherever you get it. And I got some of the larger leaves. And then actually what I do is I roll them up together here. And I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to chiffonade them. And what that really means is just thin strips. So now I've got thin strips, okay? That's gonna go right on top of that burger, right on top. We're gonna throw that bun, grilled cheese style, right on top. And then we got that burger right on top, and it's gonna be amazing. That's a Caprese burger. It's amazing. Beautiful, right out of your garden kind of vegetables and bright, awesome burger off the grill. That crunchy outside from the grilled cheese styled bun instead of using the softness on the inside really changes up that sandwich. I hope you come and try one, enjoy it.